Now, recently, Union Minister Beni Prasad Verma's comments that rising food prices is a good thing as it helps farmers kicked up a huge controversy with many in the opposition and even some allies hitting out at him for being insensitive to the common man. But is what he said completely off the mark? NDTV's Neha Khanna finds out.
दाल महंगी हो गई, आटा महंगा हो गया, चावल महंगा हो गया, सब्जी महंगा हो गया, गैस नहीं चलाते हैं, टमाटर चलाते हैं, ये जिससे महंगा हुआ उससे फायदा हुआ, हम तो खुश हैं इस महंगाई से।
His comment has kicked up a political storm for the UPA government at a time when it's already on the back foot. But while political reactions were along predictable lines, the economics of the issue is far more complex. The issue of price rise is a complex, multi-dimensional one, perhaps with no easy answers. While inflation always spells bad news for people like us living in the cities, there's another side to the story, that of the farmers.
किसानों को फायदा होता है ना, महंगाई बढ़ती है तो।
अच्छा, कुछ चीज़ रेट बढ़ती है।
हाँ, ये सब गाँव के रेट बढ़ेगा तो हमें कुछ फायदा मिलेगा।
अच्छा, मार्केट में से कुछ चीज़ 2 रुपए की जगह 3 रुपए हो गई है।
हाँ, तो इधर भी लाभ आएगा, यहाँ भी फायदा मिलेगा।
मिल रहा है
जी, हाँ मिल रहा है।
वो ये मतलब 5 का अपन ला रहे हैं और 5-10 का बेच रहे हैं।
ये फायदा है
जी।
Some economists believe that for years the price of farmers' produce has been kept low to keep the vocal middle classes in the urban areas happy. What added to the farmers' burden were the steadily rising prices of farm inputs like seeds, fertilizers and pesticides. But with food prices rising steadily now, the farmers' fortunes seem to be changing. So is there a conflict of interest between the urban and rural population when it comes to food prices? Many experts say for the government it's always a tough balancing act.
Control of prices, both in the upward direction, which hurts consumers, and in the downward direction, which hurts producers, is something which any responsible government will do. So the issue is not are prices too low or prices too high. The issue is are prices stable enough. Having said that, there is a case, and a very strong case indeed, for a gradual increase under Indian circumstances of the relative price of what farmers produce. There is a case for farm prices to rise, say 1 percentage point or maybe even 3 percentage points faster than the rise in prices of the other goods. We want farmers to actually simply keep up in terms of incomes of the rest of the nation. You would need that sort of a margin, you know.
Urban versus rural. It's a debate that's likely to rage on. And while the economic argument has several layers to it, with less than 2 years to go for the next general elections, price rise is almost certain to remain a political hot potato for the government. With Siddharth Ranjan Das in Bhopal, Neha Khanna for NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.